Postel in our lab. But first, let's head out to Amarillo and check in with Mike Seidel. And Mike, I know it's been snowing and blowing. In terms of blizzards, this is truly just the beginning of this event across West Texas.
In a way it is, because the wind certainly has been howling for a while, but the snow accumulations aren't extremely heavy. Officially in Amarillo now 3 to 4 inches. As you can see, how do you measure it? Because it is blowing across the parking lot, and then it accumulates around obstacles. You can see how it's drifting around this Ford SUV. In the back there, we've probably got about a 2+ foot drift. But up here, you know, you walk out of it. So as far as clearing off your car, that's easy. It's digging out your car, and that'll be the case tonight and tomorrow. Most folks are staying put because it's just on one of those days. When you leave town, you really feel the effects of the whiteout, because in town right now, you can see as we look across towards the Walmart in McDonald's, you can see at least a solid mile horizontally right now. It's not snowing particularly hard, but when you get away from the buildings in the city, the wind just blows consistently. I mean, literally all the way down through the plains into the Panhandle. So it's just picking up all the snow that's come down and just keeps redepositing it. So that's why they're saying just stay off the roadways. I-40 right out here is closed. You can see the barrels behind me. From this exit, the Sonsi exit on the west side of Amarillo, all the way to the New Mexico line, that's westbound, is closed. New Mexico has shut down I-40, the Albuquerque. Also, most roads in eastern New Mexico are shut down. Clovis has had 8 inches of snow. One spot in southeast New Mexico now 23 inches of snow. So they've had more snow, and with this kind of wind, these gusty winds over 50 miles an hour will continue into the early hours of Monday morning. Then they'll back off as the pressure gradient, the change in pressure, relaxes itself, and the storm pulls away. It's really going to be Oklahoma City tomorrow morning that has the snow and the wind. Right now, our temperature is 20 degrees. The wind chill is 0. And there goes another gust. I tell you, this is a pretty gusty wind, and it's been gusting over 50 miles an hour since about dinner time last night. So already we've been gusting over 50 for 12, 13 hours, and it will continue for at least another 18 hours. I believe it's over to Dr. Greg Postel right now and Paul Goodlow.